you'll see that. There he is. You should smile at least.
Such a good dog.
Yeah, he's great.
You got your own chair.
Yeah. The lipstick come out, everything.
You got your own chair.
See, now that's as far as he can
Here's
go.
lipstick.
See, that's as far as he can go on that one.
Yeah. He's ready to go.
Right?
Yep.
So he can't go the same thing on this side.
Yeah.
So, and then if he moves forward, he could probably only go about here. But he can't go down. He can't
Right.
fall down. He can't touch these pipes. So he's pretty. He's in there pretty solid. But see, I still would like to put another one here,
Uh-huh.
and then put it to the back, right? Just as an extra precaution.
Or you just put one from here to the back.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but that relies everything on here, right?
Uh-huh.
So I want to take some of the pressure off in case you know what would happen if I laid the bike down, for example. You know,
Probably good, huh? Stay in the seat.
yeah, and this would protect him. This would protect him. You know, from being on the concrete. So
I think he'd just run all four paws. He'd be fine.
yeah.
Ready to go?
You ready to go on the highway?
Oh, he found a place to put his head.
Dog with a cause.
That is funny. You better not like. I don't think that's a good idea. I didn't anticipate that.